Hey friends, in this video you will know how you can remove Google account from your Android phone. To do this, go to setting and scroll down and now tap on Google and then click this arrow button, and here you will see all the Gmail account on your device. So simply click on that Gmail account which you want to delete. So I will tap on this one. Now tap on manage your Google account. Again click here and scroll down, and now you have to click manage account on this device. Now scroll down again and tap on Google. Now click more and tap on remove account and tap on remove account again. So friends, now your Google account or Gmail account has been deleted from your Android phone. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any future updates.